Hi, I'm starting a brand new series where I'll be teaching you when, why, what, and how to choose the right machine learning algorithm for your real life problem. And we are beginning with one of the simplest but most powerful algorithm, which is naive Bayes. Whenever you're dealing with a problem where you want to classify something like deciding whether an email is spam or not, whether a review is positive or negative, or whether a patient might have this disease or not, then the naive bias should instantly come to your mind. Think of it like this: given this data, which category is most likely to belong to? That's exactly what naive bias does. And it does it fast. And it really does it. Now, how do you start thinking like an ML engineer? Ask yourself these very simple questions. First, is my data is in a form of text? Are they are count based? They have any frequency based features? If it is involved in count based or frequency based, then you go with the multinomial naive bias, which is a perfect one. Second, are my input continuous numbers like age, weight, temperature? If the dataset's having the inputs in the form of continuous, then go with the Gaussian naive bias, which is made for it. Third, if your dataset have any binary outcomes, like it needs something binary outcomes or boolean values like yes, no, true, false, these type of features if it requires, then go with the Bernoulli naive bias, which will be the very right one. Once you start matching your data's nature to the algorithm's nature, choosing the right model becomes super easy. Naive bias is fast, needs very little data, and works amazingly well for text and simple categories. Just remember, it works best when features are independent. That's the most important thing to remember. This is just a start. In the series, I will help you train your mind to instantly see which algorithm fits which problem across all the sectors and scenarios. Follow along because once you learn this way of thinking, ML will finally start making the sense for you.